Hey! Here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! In this video, I cover how to find water following a natural disaster, water shortage, if you're in the wild or caught up in another survival situation. Fortunately, the earth is mostly covered with water. Even in the desert, it's possible to find a water source. However, it's important to remember that many methods for finding water take time and physical effort. So here's 5 ways you can find water to survive before your body becomes weak from dehydration. Number 1. Look for bodies of water. Small fresh streams are your best choice for finding water that's safe to drink. Avoid stagnant water bodies like pools and puddles though, as they have a high risk for bacteria. You can find fresh flowing water by A. Being very still and listening out for the sound of flowing and running water. In some environments you may also hear the distinctive sounds of waterfowl, which is a good sign. B. Look for and follow animal tracks, as they can often lead you to water. C. Look for insects swarming, because insects often collect over water. D. Watch birds' flight paths at dawn and dusk, as wild birds often drink most of their water in the mornings and the evenings. E. Head downhill, as water will flow down hills into valleys and streams. Number 2. Collect rainwater. Use containers to catch rain, or use a tarp to direct larger rainfall areas into a container. This video explains how you can do this. Check out the links in the description too. Number 3. Collect dew. In areas with heavy dew, you can collect it in small amounts from leaves or other flat surfaces where moisture has built up overnight. You can also wear absorbent pants or tie absorbent fabrics and fibres around your legs, walk through dew-covered grasses or vegetation, and then wring the dew out of your clothing to drink it. Make sure not to collect dew from areas where there's poison plants though. Number 4. Look for fruits and roots. Plant fruits and roots are a reliable source of water, especially in dry climates. Tough, fibrous roots can be crushed or mashed to extract the liquid. Again, be prepared and do your research though, to make sure you're not harvesting any poisonous plants. Before I cover my last tip, be sure to comment if you found this short video useful, or if you've any other tips for sourcing and collecting water for survival. Number 5. Dig a well or build a still. There's almost always fresh water a few feet below ground. If you have or can find something to dig with, you can dig a shallow well. If you're prepared and have an emergency supply pack or bug out bag with basic supplies like a sheet of plastic, a digging tool and a container, you can dig a still, which will collect condensation for water. Remember though, even a large still produces less than 1 litre of water per day, so you'll need multiple stills for your daily water needs. And even when you've found water, the water may not be safe to drink straight away. Generally speaking, water collected from solar condensation is drinkable, but all other wild water will need to be purified after it's been collected. So check out these videos to keep watching and learning about water purification and filtration. Remember, water is the highest priority for your survival, so think like a yo-yo survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. And share this video with your family and friends too, so they can be smart and be ready in case of a water shortage, natural disaster or other crisis. Stay safe!